So if you're thinking about buying a house and you've never bought a house, it's a completely intimidating process, and we understand that. There's so many things you have to learn and understand if you haven't, and there's all kinds of pieces of the transaction that you're not familiar with. The good thing is we specialize in taking you through this process and guiding you by the hand and tailoring a process specifically for what you need. And everything runs out of our building. So you can come in here, we can help you buy a house, you can get a mortgage, you can get insurance, we can help you with storage, we can help you with renovations. If you get into buying a property that you're gonna keep as a rental, we can help you with property management. We have so many things under one roof. That's why they call us the Amazon of real estate. Well, why is this a benefit for you? Because if you're buying a house for the first time, there's all kinds of things that you normally would have to manage that with us, you don't. You make one phone call, we do everything for you. We make it super simple, and we understand every single person is different. You and your family and your specific situation, there's things that you need that are different than everybody else. That's why we tailor the process specifically for you. So you can come down to our office, sit down with us, we tailor a program for you, we guide you through the process to help you get in your first property. And hey, if it's your second or third property, things have probably changed since the last time you bought a house. We're prepared to help you too. When it comes to buying a house, it's what we've gotten really, really good at. If you're thinking about buying a house, we'd be glad to help you start your journey.